Swachh Adat, Swachh Bharat hygiene check for 1 year for these children and their families. And well, if we have now taught them the 3 habits and given them the products to help them follow these 3 habits, I'm sure that they will be able to play every day. So here's some cricketing gear for them as well. All right, and I'm sure the kids will never forget this special moment and this wonderful applause that you've given them. So I'd like all of you, now that you've taken your photograph with them, and they have the best memories to take back with them. So here's